Struggling with a slow Windows 11? Fear not. I've got 5 quick fixes to boost your system speed. Let's dive in for a faster, smoother experience. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard. Go to the Startup tab and sort the processes by their startup impact rating. Right-click on processes with high ratings and select Disable, but don't disable crucial programs such as your antivirus. The computer running slow Windows 11 issue will be fixed. Press Windows key plus S and enter Power Settings. Select Power and Amp, Sleep Settings. Click on Choose what the power button does from the menu on the left. Now select Change settings that are currently unavailable. Make sure to check Turn on Fast Startup, recommended. Save your changes and you're good to go. Press Windows key plus R and type services.msc and press Enter. In the list of all services that start with your Windows 11, look for any services that take too long to launch. Right-click each service and change the settings from Default to Automatic, Delayed Start. Save your changes and restart. Open the Settings app. Then click on Personalization. Next, click on Colors and set Transparency Effects to Off. Press Windows key plus R and enter services.msc. Now press Enter or click OK. Locate Windows Module Installer on the list and double-click it to open its properties. Check the service status. If it's set to running, click the Stop button to stop the service. In addition, you can also change the startup type to Disabled if you want to disable this service permanently. Now click on Apply and OK to save changes.